Hello, good morning students. Welcome back to the class. So once again we will start our chapter number 12, surface area and volume. Okay. So we were doing the practice makes perfect questions, and till question number third we have done. So today we will start our question number 4. So what is given in this question? Find the volume of the following shapes. First one is a cube of age 6 centimeter, and second one is a cube of dimensions 7 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter. Okay. So we will do our first question. Question number 1. First part. So what is given? It is given a cube of age 6 centimeter. So what will be the cube? So cube will be like that. This is also a 3D shape and whose base is like a square. Okay. So you can see this one is your cube and the sides of the cubes are given 6 centimeter, and you know very well all the dimensions, length, breadth and height will be same in the cube. Okay, so this one will be also 6 centimeter, this one is also 6 centimeter and this one is also the 6 centimeter, and you have to find out the volume of the cube. Okay, what will you find out? You will find out the volume of the cube. So what will be the volume of the cube? So first of all you will write in the proper solution, side of a cube is equal to 6 centimeter. So what will be the volume of the cube? So volume of the cube will be side into side. Okay, volume of the cube will be side into side into side, and you can write it as side whole cube because all the length, breadth and height of the cube will be same. Okay, so all are given 6 centimeter, so you will put it as 6 into 6 into 6. Why you are writing 3 times side into side into side? Because when you have 3D shapes, cuboid, so how many sides will be there? 3 sides, length, breadth and height. Okay, so all length, breadth and height, all the sides are same in the cube. Okay, so you will multiply it how many times? 3 times, side into side into side. And what is the side? Side is 6 centimeter. So 6 into 6 into 6. So it will be 216. And volume, what will be the unit of the volume? So unit of volume will be in cubic. Okay, what will be the unit? Unit will be in cubic. And if it is given in meter, so you will write meter. And if it is given in centimeter, so you will write centimeter. So it will be 216 cubic centimeter. So this one will be the volume of the cube. Clear? Now in the second part, it is given a cuboid. So cuboid, this is the shape of a rectangle base. Okay, this is also a 3D shape, but shape of this base of this faces will be like a rectangle. Okay, so this is your cuboid and this one is length. So length, it means dimensions, length, breadth and height. So 7 centimeter is the length, breadth is 2 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter. Okay, so you will find out the volume. Okay, so in cuboid all the length, breadth and heights are different, you can see. So what will be the formula of volume? So simply you will multiply the dimensions, length into breadth into height. So you will write it as side, or you can write dimension. Dimensions means sides, length, breadth and height. Dimension of cuboid is equal to 7 into 2 into 1. Okay, or you can write it as 7 centimeter into 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter, and you can write it as like that. Length of the cuboid is 7 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter and height is 1 centimeter. So find the volume. So volume of cuboid will be 7 into 2 into 1. 7 2s are 14 and 14 into 1. So it will be 14 cubic. Volume will be always in unit cubic. And if it is given all the length, breadth, height are in meters, so you will write. And if it is given in centimeter, so you will write down centimeter. Okay. So this is volume of the cuboid. Clear? So in this question number 4, what you have to do? Simply beta, what is given? Find the volume of the following shapes. A cube of age 6 centimeter. So cube will be the shape of 3D shape, like it will be, the base will be like a square. Okay, so all the sides, in square also you know very well square. What will be the square? Where all the sides of the square are equal. Okay, so it is a shape of a base of a square. So all the sides means length, breadth and height will be same. So side of a cube is 6 centimeters. So what will be the volume of the cube? Side into side into side. So it will be 216 cubic centimeter. And after that, second one is given cuboid. So cuboid, length, breadth, height are already given. Dimensions. Dimensions means length, breadth and height. Okay, it is given already in the questions. So you will find out the volume of the cuboid. So it will be length into breadth into height. Okay. And you can write down here the formula first. Okay, what will be the volume of the cuboid? So it will be length into breadth into height. So 7 into 2 into 1. It will be 14 cubic centimeter. Okay, so this is the volume of the cuboid. Now next question. Yes. Now let's start our next question. Question number 5. What is given in the question number 5, Pita? So it is given, find the volume of a cuboidal box in liters if its dimensions are 3 meter, 1 meter and 1 meter. Okay. So dimension means length, breadth and height of the cuboids are given 3 meter. Length is 3 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1 meter. So find out the volume of the cuboidal box. So simply you can write down length of cuboidal box is equal to 3 meter. Breadth of cuboidal box is equal to 1 meter and height of cuboidal box is equal to 1 meter. So first of all, find the volume. So what will be the volume of the cuboidal box? So multiplication of the dimensions, length into breadth into height. So volume of cuboidal box will be length into breadth into height. Okay, so 3 into 1 into 1. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So 3, and it is give volume of the unit will be cubic and it is given in meter. So meter. Okay, so it will be 3 cubic meter. But it is written, find the volume of the cuboidal box in liter. Okay, you have to find out the volume in cubic liter. So in liter, volume of the cuboidal box in liter. So you know very well, 1 cubic meter will be equal to 1000 liter. Okay, 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. If you know about this, 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. So you can easily find out that 3 cubic meter will be equal to. So 3 cubic meter will be equal to 3 into 1000. So it will be 3000 liter. So this one will be your answer. Okay, because you have to find out the volume of the cuboidal box in liter. And here all the dimensions are given in meter. Okay, so you will do the multiplication of length into breadth into height, 3 into 1 into 1. So it will be 3 cubic meter. But you will find out the volume in liter. So you know very well, 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. So 3 cubic meter will be equal to 3 into 1000. So it will be 3000 liter. So this is the volume of the cuboidal box in liter. So this was a simple question. Find the volume of the cuboidal box if the dimensions of the box are given. If it's not visible, you can now see. Yes, if the volume what is given, volume of the cuboidal box you will find out, and whose dimensions are given 3 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. So simply first of all you will find out the length. What is length? 3 meter, breadth is 1 meter and height is 1 meter. After that, volume will be length into breadth into height, 3 into 1 into 1, 3 cubic meter. But now you will find out the answer in liter. So 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. So 3 cubic meter will be 3000 liters. So this was your question number 5. Now let's start our next question, question number 6. So once you can open the page number 24 and read the question. It's very big question, so I have not written on the board. So open the book and start reading the question. A cereal company wants to change the shape of a cereal box in order to attract the attention of shoppers. एक सीरियल कंपनी है, क्या करना चाहती है? अपने शेप ऑफ इट्स सीरियल बॉक्स जो है उसको चेंज करना चाह रही है. किसके लिए? शॉपर्स की अटेंशन के लिए. द ओरिजिनल सीरियल बॉक्स डायमेंशंस आर 7 इंचेस, 5 इंचेस एंड 12 इंचेस. दो जो ओरिजिनल सीरियल बॉक्स है, ठीक है, उसकी जो लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ एंड हाइट है वो गिवन है 7 इंचेस, 5 इंचेस एंड 12 इंचेस. एंड द कंपनी इज थिंकिंग टू मेक द न्यू बॉक्स. एक जो नया बॉक्स बनाना चाह रही है, किसके लिए? शॉपर्स की अटेंशन के लिए. उसकी जो लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट्स आर गिवन 9 इंचेस, 6 इंचेस एंड 13 इंचेस. सो विच वन विल होल्ड मोर सीरियल? सो कौन सा बॉक्स, मीन्स ओरिजिनल बॉक्स और न्यू बॉक्स, विच वन विल होल्ड द मोर सीरियल? इनमें से कौन सा जो है ज्यादा सीरियल होल्ड करेगा. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द बोथ द बॉक्सेस एंड हुज वॉल्यूम इज ग्रेटर, सो द बॉक्स विल होल्ड द much serial box, much serial, more serial. Okay. So first of all, you will find out the volume of the original box. Okay. So length, simply you can write down length of original serial box is equal to 7 inches. Breadth of original serial box is equal to 5 inches and height of original serial box is equal to 12 inches. Clear? So what will be the volume? Volume of the original serial box will be length into breadth into height. So it will be 7 into 5 into 12. Okay. So 7 into 12, 5 is 16. So 420 cubic inches, because volume will be already in cube. Okay. Cubic unit will be in cubic meter, centimeter, inches, whatever it is given. Now you can see length of new serial box is equal to 9 inches. Next, breadth of new box is equal to 6 inches and height of new box is equal to 3 inches. So what will be the volume? So volume will be length into breadth into height, same, and this volume will be the new box. Okay, volume of new box. So 9 into 6 into 3. So 9 6 are 54 into 3. So 162 cubic inches. 162 cubic inches. Okay. So you can see here volume of the old box, or you can say original serial box. The volume is 420 cubic inches and the volume of the new box is 162 cubic inches. So which one has the greater volume? So this one 420 is greater than 162. So you can write down the original serial box can hold more serial. Okay, the original serial box can hold more serial because the volume of the original serial box is greater than the volume of the new box. So this box can hold the more serial. So this was your question number 6. You have two serial boxes. One is the original boxes and whose length, breadth and height are these, and the new boxes whose length, breadth and height are these. So you have to find out in both the boxes, original or new boxes, which box can hold the more serial. So first of all you will find the volume, because volume means which how much quantity they can hold. Okay, volume का मतलब होता है बेटा कि वो बॉक्स जो है, वॉल्यूम क्यूबॉइडल बॉक्स है या क्यूब बॉक्स है, वो कितनी जो कैपेसिटी होल्ड कर सकता है. ठीक है. सो हाउ मच क्वांटिटी इट कैन होल्ड दिस वन बॉक्स एंड हाउ मच क्वांटिटी दिस बॉक्स कैन होल्ड. दिस इज कॉल्ड द वॉल्यूम. So you will find out the volume of both the boxes and formula will be simply length into breadth into height, and all the dimensions are given. This one will be also same, length into breadth into height. And if you will find out the volume, so you can see the volume of the new box is 162 cubic inches and the new old box is 420 cubic inches. It means volume of the original box is greater than the volume of new box. So you can write down the original serial box can hold more serial than the new box. Clear all of you? So this was your question number 6. Now let's start our next question. So what is question number 7 beta? Question number 7 is given. Open the page number 24. Last question of practice makes perfect. Kelly has a rectangular fish aquarium that measures 19 inches long, 7 inches wide, and 12 inches tall. And what is the maximum amount of water the aquarium can hold? Okay, it is like a rectangular fish. Okay, but length, breadth, and height all are given. It means this one will be like a rectangular base, but this one will be the 3D shapes, and you can say like a cuboidal. Okay, because length is 9 inches is given, breadth is or width is 7 inches, and height is given 12 inches. Okay, so but base is like a rectangle, and if base is like a rectangle but all the 3 dimensions are given, means this one will be the like a cuboidal. इस aquarium में क्या fill है? पानी. Okay, so how much water it can hold, you can find out. So how much water it can hold? So simply you can assume this. इसके अंदर कितनी कैपेसिटी है कि इतना कितना पानी आ सकता है, कितनी चीज वो होल्ड कर सकता है, वो सब उसका क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम. इट मीन्स यू अंडरस्टूड इट इजीली. ओके, you have to find out the volume here. Okay, so simply you can write down first length of fish aquarium. Okay, what is given? This is fish aquarium is given na? Aquarium, fish aquarium, rectangular fish aquarium. Okay, so write down length of fish aquarium is equal to 19 inches, breadth of fish aquarium is equal to 7 inches, height of fish aquarium is equal to 12 inches. So how much water it can hold? It means volume. Okay, you will find out volume of fish aquarium. Volume of fish aquarium, it will be length into breadth into height. So 19 into 7 into 12. Okay, so 19 into 7 into 12. So 19 and multiply. 12 sevens are 84. Multiply it. So 84 and 19. 4 and 8. 6, 5 plus 4, 9, 8 plus 7, 15. So it will be 1596 cubic, and all the dimensions are given in inches, so inches. So 1596 cubic inches water it can hold. Okay, because the volume means how much capacity, how much water it can hold. So it will be 1596 cubic inches. So this was your question number 7. Simply what is given? A fish aquarium is given whose dimensions or length, breadth and height are given 19 inches, 7 inches and 12 inches. So you have to find out how much water the aquarium can hold. Okay, so simply it means if you have to find out the capacity of the aquarium and how much of capacity it can hold, so it means you have to find out the volume. Okay, and for finding the volume, first of all you will check what is the length, breadth and height. And after that, simply the formula of the volume will be length into breadth into height. So it will be 19 into 84. Okay, and after that multiply it and you will get the answer 1596. And volume will be always in the unit cubic, and if it is given meter, so write down meter, centimeter, inches, whatever it is given you will write down as it is. Okay, so this one will be the volume. Okay, so this was your question number 7.